our channel Open Mind. So the classes were going on of arithmetic progression, and I think you might have gone through some questions of NCERT. Up to now, if you have any doubts, please let me know. I am really eager to clear out your doubts in the questions. So now here we will see another questions of arithmetic progression, in which the first question is as in an AP. A is equals to 5, D is equals to 3 and AN is equals to 50. You need to find out the value of N and Sn. Okay. So first we will find out the value for N. So how will you find out the value for N? Do you remember any formula? Okay. So I'll say the formula. The formula is AN is equals to A plus N minus of 1 into D. AN is equals to 50 is equals to A is 5 plus N minus of 1 into 3. So this implies 50 minus 5 is equals to 3N minus 3. 50 minus 5 is 45 plus 3 is equals to 3N. So 48 is equals to 3N. N is equals to 16. So the value of N comes out to be 16. Now you want to find out Sn. So Sn is equals to N by 2, 2A plus N minus of 1 into D. So this equals to N is how much? 16 by 2, 2 into A. What is A here? 5 plus N minus of 1 into D. D is 3. So this equals to 8. 8 is equals to 10 plus 3 into N minus of 1. What is 16 minus of 1? 16 minus of 1 is 15. That is 15 into 3. You can directly write it down. So this equals to 10 plus 45. So which is equals to 8 into 55. So 5 8s are 40. This will be 44. So the value of Sn comes out to be 440. So this is the way we do the question. Okay, now we will see another question. So here we go with our second question. A3 is 15, S10 is 125, the value of D we need to find out, and the value of A10 also we need to find out. Now we know what is A3. A3 is A plus 2D. So we know 15 is equals to A plus 2D. So we don't know the value of A. Now what is S10? Mark it as 1. S10 is equals to N by 2, 2A plus 10 minus of 1, that is 9 into D. So what is 10 here? N here, N is equals to 10. So you can write down 10 by 2 is equals to 2A plus 9D. So here we got 10 by 2, 2A plus 9 into D is equals to 125. Now this implies 2A plus 9D is equals to 125 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5. So this implies 2A plus 9D is equals to 25. So this is the equation number 2, and equation number 1 was A plus 2D is equals to 15. Now we multiply this equation with 2. So we get 2A plus 9D is equals to 25, and here we get 2A plus 4D is equals to 30. So minus minus minus. This part gets cancelled. Minus 5D is equals to minus 5. Plus 5D is equals to minus 5. So this implies D will be equals to minus 5 by 5, which is equals to minus 1. So we got the value of D to be as minus 1. First what I did, A3 was given to us as 15. So I just wrote 15 is equals to A plus 2D, because 3 minus 1 will be 2. Second I did S10 is equals to N by 2, 2A plus 9D, which is equals to 125. So I substituted the values. I got the final expression as 2A plus 9D is equals to 25. I wrote the first equation over here with the help of elimination method. I got the value of D is equals to minus 1. Now we need to find out the value for A, because we need to find out the value of A10. What is A10? A10 is A plus 9D So D we know, but we need to find out the value for A. So now we will see how to find out the value for A by substituting in any equations. Okay. So I'll substitute it in equation number 1. The equation number 1 was 15 is equals to A plus 2D. So here it goes. D is equals to minus 1. And we know that A plus 2D is equals to 15. So this implies A plus 2 into minus 1 is equals to 15. This implies A is equals to 15 plus 2, which is equals to 17. So we got the value of A to be as 17. Now we will find out A10. A10 is equals to A plus 9D. That is because 10 minus 1 is how much? 9. If you want, I can write down the step for the sake of your convenience. Substitute the value of A and D. 17 minus 9. That is 8. So the value of A10 comes out to be as 8. So this is the way to solve this question. Hope you people have understood this question very clearly. Now we'll see the other questions. So see how we do this type of question. An is equals to A plus n minus of 1 into D. Now An we don't know. We just write 2 plus n minus of 1 into 8. So this implies An is equals to 2 plus 8n minus 8. So An is equals to minus 8n plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 8n. Put it as equation number of 1. Now Sn. Sn is given to you as 90. So Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus of 1 into D. What is the n over here? N we don't know. Okay, so we have to write as it is 2 into A plus n minus of 1 into D. So which is equals to n by 2, 4 plus 8n minus 8. So this implies n by 2, this will be minus 4 plus 8n. This implies this is equals to 90. Yeah, because it is given to you as 90. So we can write it down 90 in the left hand side, or after solving the entire equation, you can write it at last. So 90 is n by 2 minus 4 plus 18 is equals to 90. So what we do is we cross multiply these two. So we get here minus 4n plus 8n square is equals to 180, which implies 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equals to 0. So now dividing the entire equation by 4. So we get here 2n square minus n minus 45 is equals to 0. So for this type of equation, we multiply this term 2 and 45 and split the middle term. So splitting the middle term, we'll get 45 into 2 is how much? 45 into 2 is equals to 90. So 90 you have to break in such a way so that you have to split 90 in such a way so that on multiplying we get the terms as 90, and since it is a minus sign over here, on subtracting the two numbers you should get it as minus 1. So it will be minus 10 and plus 9. So we can write it down 2n squared minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equals to 0. This implies out of these two, please take out common 2n, n minus 5 plus 9 into n minus 5 is equals to 0. So n minus 5 is equals to 0, n is equals to 5. For another one, 2n plus 9 is equals to 0, n is equals to minus 9 by 2. We got two values of n. This is not possible. Why? Because the number of terms cannot be negative. So n comes out to be your 5. Now what is an? A plus n minus of 1 into D. What is your A over here? A is 2. So this implies an is equals to 2 plus, what is n? N is 5. So 5 minus of 1 into D. D was how much for us? D was 8. So that comes out to be as 8. So now we will solve and we will get the final answer. So this implies an is equals to 2 plus 4 into 8. So this implies an is equals to 2 plus 32. So this implies an is equals to 34. So the value of an comes out to be 34. The value of n comes out to be as 5. So this was a very difficult question. Why? Because even a quadratic equation was involved in AP. So you can split the middle terms or you can use the formula in order to find out the values from n. This is the way to solve these type of questions. So guys, this is the way we solve the sum of the series of n terms with of an AP with the help of formula. If there is any doubt in the question after solving few questions from NCERT, just please let us know. Till then, bye bye. See me in my next video of continuation of arithmetic progression of class 10th. Bye bye.
For more updates, subscribe our channel, click the shown links and enjoy watching the videos.